Hi everyone. I thought today I would talk about the parts of us that we tend to lose as we go through life. The parts of us that we exile because we think they're not acceptable to other people. The parts of us that escape because they don't feel safe being with us. And that means that when we're going through the world, we're not 100% here. There are parts scattered out there that actually belong with us. And although in the past it hasn't been safe to have them as part of us, as we start to clear things, as we start to grow, then the way forward for us really is to invite those parts back, to give them new information that they're going to be safe with us, and that we love and accept them, whatever their role is. And that's part of being who we are. Accepting the parts of ourselves that we don't always like, working with the shadow, because we're all partly light, partly dark. We're always the parts of us that we want to be and the parts of us that are still struggling to be who we want to be. So I thought we could do some tapping on parts today, if that's okay. Because when all parts are back together with you and all working in the same direction for the same thing, life becomes much more easy. Okay, so tapping on the side of the hand. We may go on to some other points, but mostly it'll be on the side of the hand. And as always, if you tap with me, you take responsibility for your own well-being. Even though some of the times I've been through, parts of me may have escaped to stay safe. And I love and accept those parts for doing the only thing they could at the time. Even though there have been times when I've exiled parts because I thought they weren't acceptable to me or to other people. And I love and accept those parts that went whether they wanted to or not. And even though that was then, this is now. The world is different and I'm different. I have tools and resources I didn't have before. And I'd like all parts of me to know that it's finally safe to come back, to rejoin me, so that we can move forward as a whole. Even though there are parts of me that I really rejected, I choose to love and accept all parts of me. The ones I see as good, bad, indifferent, they're all a part of me. And they make me whole. And I'm choosing to move through my life whole, with every part of me aligned, working together. And even though there are parts of me that may be working on outdated information, I'd like to invite all parts of me to come together now, talk to my higher self, and get the current information so we can truly move forward in a way that works for us. It's time. I'm choosing to accept myself as I am right now, knowing that I can change things as I go. Loving and accepting all parts of me, and inviting all those missing parts to come back and join me, because it's safe to do that now. And I love and I accept every part of me. I know they're always doing the best they can, and that's the truth. And I'd like to give them the chance to do their best in a way that works really well for me. All parts want me to be safe and happy. And it would be good if they work in the same way to achieve that. Releasing all conflict between the parts of me. Reminding them they all have the same goal. And it's time to find a way forward that works for all parts of me. And I love and accept all parts of me. Loving and accepting all parts of me. Loving and accepting who I am right now. Accepting the parts that I like and the parts that I don't. Finding ways to work with my parts so they support me in a way that works for me. It's time to move together as my complete self. That way I get to live the life that I came to live and do the things I came to do. It's the perfect time right now. And I love and accept all parts of me. So have a play with that and see how it goes for you. Because it feels to me that those parts were playing a role and they escaped, or we got rid of them because it didn't feel safe for that role to be played. But actually, when we want to fully live our life and to be our complete self, we need all of those parts of us. And rather than rejecting parts that aren't as we want them to be, it's time to love them and accept them and allow them to become who we want them to be. And when we're all in alignment and the parts are not in conflict, life becomes easy. And that's what is good for us all, to have a life that's easy, because that allows us to live fully in the moment, creating what we want to create and being who we want to be. It's what we came here for, to be ourselves, as I say, in all our multicoloured glory. And there are all colours in that. So enjoy experimenting, seeing how life feels when those parts come together. And if you want any help with that, just email me, set up a session, or you could buy my book. Or if you really fancy it, you could set up a workshop and invite me to come and take it for you. I'd love to do that. So take care of yourself, and I'm sure I'll see you again soon. Bye.